Hi there everyone, my name is Mel or Breath Gal and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share a really simple science-backed technique that can really help you stop a tickly cough if you're in the middle of a meeting or something like that. It's really quick, it's effective, calms the airways, also gives your body a little bit of an oxygen boost at the same time. So I'm just going to run through the practice and then I'll explain a bit of the science about why it works. So the first thing, and I say this about lots of things, is awareness. So the first thing is just to be very aware if you do have a cough or something like that, that initial kind of tickle, that kind of catching it really early will make this technique a lot more effective. So if you're in a meeting and really trying not to cough, and you want to stop that, what you can do is just, first of all, place your hands over your mouth and your nose like this. Just make sure there's a few gaps there as well. We'll be exhaling a bit of CO2 into your hands here, and this shows that a slightly amount of CO2 that you're re-inhaling can help release some oxygen from the hemoglobin in your red blood cells. And this will improve oxygen delivery to your body, which can help calm your airways whilst you're breathing this way. With your hands still over your nose and your mouth, you're just going to swallow once. This can reset your throat muscles, and that can reduce the tickle that triggers a cough reflex too. So having your hands here, swallowing, then you're going to take a normal inhale, a normal exhale, and you're going to hold your breath for around 5 to 10 seconds. So just seeing what feels safe enough for you to do so in that moment, because it might not even be 5 seconds, but just inhaling and exhaling, and see if you can count. If you can make 10 really easily, then that will be even better. Holding your breath after your exhale, your body's a bit more relaxed. This also encourages your airways to be calm, increases that CO2 holding your breath in your bloodstream, which releases that oxygen to your cells. So this combination of relaxation and oxygenation can really help further reduce the urge to cough. So this is all with your hands over your mouth. I'm just removing them so I can talk to you. So what you're going to do next, after you've swallowed, inhale, exhale, hold the breath for 5 to 10 seconds. You're then going to take several small, gentle breaths in and out through your nose while keeping your hands in place like this. Making sure that breath is really nice and controlled, it's nice and calm, really helping your breathing settle your nervous system, keeping the airways calm, then rather triggering this tickle into a really big cough. And lastly, I always think it's really useful to talk to yourself. Your body's always listening. So mentally tell yourself, I'm not going to cough. I'm just going to wait until it's more appropriate. And the more you resist this tickle calmly, the more your body will learn that this tickle can pass without going into like a full cough cycle, which is basically why I'm doing this exercise, because it's really useful if you need to be quiet in a meeting, something like that in a public setting. And then finally, you're just going to take a really long, slow, full inhale, nice and steady through the nose. Then you're going to remove the hands, and you can repeat this technique if the tickle persists. You can also do this without the hands here. So you can do the swallow, inhale, exhale, pause the breath for 5 to 10 seconds, and take some small inhale, exhales as well, without doing that if you can't do that if you are in a meeting. So I really hope that helps. Explaining, covering this does create more CO2 in your hands here, which you inhale, releasing more oxygen to the cells. Swallowing disrupts that cough kind of reflex. Holding the breath calms your airways and your nervous system. And those small controlled breaths at the end prevent that really deep inhale that often triggers a cough. So just to add, this isn't a cure for any underlying cause, by the way, but it is scientifically grounded way to calm a tickly cough temporarily. So that's it for now. Quick practice, always backed by some science there. Just medical caveat, always remember to check with your GP before trying any breathwork techniques, especially that include breath holds. For example, if you're pregnant or if you have any respiratory conditions or any other medical conditions, you'll need to speak to your GP, as breath holding is not good in certain cases. So thanks for watching, and remember always, change your breath, change your life, and see you again next time.